Okay, once you have downloaded your CapCut, go ahead, go into your CapCut. Like in my case right now, I actually have this um project that I'm editing here right now. So for me to generate my automatic caption, all I'll have to do is to go ahead and click on this button that says text. Normally it's going to be on media, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on text. Once I'm here, I'm going to click on auto caption, and I'll leave it on English, and I'll create and click on create. It's gonna go through my whole speech and try to convert them to text depending on what time of the video I said each word. It's going to take a little bit time, and it's going to finally open up after a short period of time. In my case, I this is like a 6 minute video whereby I talked a lot in this video, so there is going to be a lot of text in this video. That's why it's taking this long. Okay guys, if you are actually enjoying this video up to this point, or it's actually helpful, go ahead, give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's the only way you could support me. All right, after giving it some time, automatically it's gonna show this red text here. Okay, so all I'll need to do is just go ahead and expand this up so I can see each word on each line, so I can actually just go ahead and do some edits. Okay, so the first thing I actually used to do is to set the preset to this preset here. Okay, and then I'll just make sure I zoom this out so I can be able to see each of the frame for the text, and then hit on play. And once I hit the play, I'm just gonna actually go ahead and read the text showing on the screen here. And if ever I notice any mistake, I'm just gonna hit on pause, and I can go into that text by just clicking on that text and coming over to this part and making an edit. So once you've done this whole process, all you will need to do is to actually export your video. And after exporting the video, you actually get your video in two formats. Okay, after you've downloaded it, it's gonna look like something like this, whereby you have the MP4 file here, and then you have the subtitle file here. You can see the file extension here, and actually you can actually just take this str file and take it into your YouTube and go to the section that says subtitle, and you can input it there as a file. Okay, that's pretty much everything about this video. All right, if you find this video helpful, go ahead, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. That's the only way you can support me. Okay, peace out. See you guys in the next one.